The helmeted guinea fowl, Numida meleagris, is the best known of the guineafowl bird family, Numididae, and the only member of the genus Numida. It is native to Africa, mainly south of the Sahara, and has been widely introduced, as a domesticated species, into the West Indies, North America, Colombia, Brazil, Australia and Europe. The helmeted guineafowl is a large 53 to 58 centimeters, 21 to 23 in, bird with a round body and small head. They weigh about 1.3 kilograms, 2.9 pounds. The body plumage is gray-black speckled with white. Like other guineafowl, this species has an unfeathered head, which in this species is decorated with a dull yellow or reddish bony knob, and bare skin with red, blue, or black hues. The wings are short and rounded, and the tail is likewise short. Various subspecies are proposed, differences in appearance being mostly a large variation in shape, size, and color of the casque and facial wattles. Behavior and ecology: this is a gregarious species, forming flocks outside the breeding season, typically of about 25 birds that also roost communally. Guineafowl are particularly well suited to consuming massive quantities of ticks, which might otherwise spread Lyme disease. These birds are terrestrial, and prone to run rather than fly when alarmed. Like most gallinaceous birds, they have a short-lived explosive flight and rely on gliding to cover extended distances. Helmeted guineafowl can walk 10 kilometers and more in a day. Their bodies are well suited for running, and they are remarkably successful in maintaining dynamic stability over rough terrain at speed. They make loud, harsh calls when disturbed. Their diet consists of a variety of animal and plant foods. During the non-breeding season, N. meleagris consumes corns, tubers, and seeds, particularly of agricultural weeds, as well as various agricultural crop spillage. During the breeding season, more than 80% of their diet may be invertebrates, particularly arthropods such as beetles. Guineafowl are equipped with strong claws and scratch in loose soil for food, much like domestic chickens. Although they seldom uproot growing plants in so doing, as with all of the Numididae, they have no spurs. They may live for up to 12 years in the wild. Males often show aggression towards each other and partake in aggressive fighting, which may leave other males bloodied and otherwise injured. They attempt to make themselves look more fearsome by raising their wings upwards from their sides and bristling their feathers across the length of their bodies. And they may also rush towards their opponent with a gaping beak. The nest is a well-hidden, generally unlined scrape, and a clutch is normally some 6 to 12 eggs, which the female incubates for 26 to 28 days. Nests containing larger numbers of eggs are generally believed to be the result of more than one hen using the nest. Eggs are large, and an incubating bird could not realistically cover significantly more than a normal clutch. Domesticated birds, at least, are notable for producing very thick-shelled eggs that are reduced to fragments as the young birds, known as keats among bird breeders, hatch, rather than leaving two large sections and small chips where the keat has removed the end of the egg. Domesticated guinea hens are not the best of mothers, and often abandon their nests. The keats are cryptically colored, and rapid wing growth enables them to flutter onto low branches barely a week after hatching.
La gallina de Guinea con casco, Numida meleagris, es la más conocida de la familia de aves de gallina de Guinea, Numididae, y el único miembro del género Numida. Es nativa de África, principalmente al sur del Sahara, y ha sido ampliamente introducida, como especie domesticada, en las Indias Occidentales, América del Norte, Colombia, Brasil, Australia y Europa. La gallina de Guinea con casco es grande, de 53 a 58 centímetros. 21 a 23 pulgadas, ave con cuerpo redondo y cabeza pequeña. Pesan alrededor de 1,3 kilogramos, 2,9 libras. El plumaje del cuerpo es gris-negro moteado de blanco. Al igual que otras gallinas de Guinea, esta especie tiene la cabeza sin plumas. Que en esta especie está decorada con una protuberancia ósea de color amarillo opaco o rojizo, y la piel desnuda con tonos rojos, azules o negros. Las alas son cortas y redondeadas. Y la cola también es corta. Se proponen varias subespecies. Las diferencias en la apariencia son principalmente una gran variación en la forma, el tamaño y el color del casco y las barbas faciales. Comportamiento y ecología. Esta es una especie gregaria, que forma bandadas fuera de la temporada de reproducción, típicamente de unas 25 aves que también se posan en comunidad. Las gallinas de Guinea son particularmente adecuadas para consumir cantidades masivas de garrapatas, que de otro modo podrían propagar la enfermedad de Lyme. Estas aves son terrestres y tienden a correr en lugar de volar cuando están alarmadas. Como la mayoría de las aves gallináceas, tienen un vuelo explosivo de corta duración y dependen del deslizamiento para cubrir distancias extensas. Las gallinas de Guinea con casco pueden caminar 10 kilómetros y más en un día. Sus cuerpos están bien adaptados para correr y son notablemente exitosos en mantener la estabilidad dinámica sobre terreno accidentado a gran velocidad. Hacen fuertes llamadas ásperas cuando se les molesta. Su dieta consiste en una variedad de alimentos animales y vegetales. Durante la temporada no reproductiva, meleagris consume maíz, tubérculos y semillas, particularmente de malas hierbas agrícolas, así como varios derrames de cultivos agrícolas. Durante la temporada de reproducción, más del 80% de su dieta puede ser invertebrados, particularmente artrópodos como escarabajos. Las gallinas de Guinea están equipadas con garras fuertes y arañan la tierra suelta para alimentarse. Al igual que los pollos domésticos, aunque rara vez arrancan las plantas en crecimiento al hacerlo. Como todos los Numididae, no tienen espolones. Pueden vivir hasta 12 años en la naturaleza. Los machos a menudo muestran agresión entre sí y participan en peleas agresivas, lo que puede dejar a otros machos ensangrentados y heridos. Intentan parecer más temibles levantando las alas hacia arriba.